let's continue our problem set with the next question, that is number spiral. It's a very beautiful question. If I talk about the question, we will be given a number spiral, that is a 2D matrix, and it will be filled kind of this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and this way. From here it will be 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and it will go. And the thing is that it is infinite. Okay, so in this question what we will be given, that we will be given a row y and column x, and we have to find the exact number which is present on this row and column in grid. So what I want to say is that let's see the test cases here. Here it is given 2 and 3. So what we will do, that we will let's write the numbers from. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. 5 row and 5 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 columns. So if I talk about 2 and 3, so second row, that is, this is first row. Okay, this is the first one is first row, this is second row, and if I talk in second row, third column, that is 8. So the answer will be 8. So let's make it more clear by writing here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. For example, I've taken this 4 plus 4 matrix, and let's number it: 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically it's one based indexing. Okay, so if I talk about 2 comma 3, second to third column, the answer will be 8 here. Okay, now let's see the next test case, that is 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 will be this number, that is 1. Okay, and 4 comma 2, if I talk about 4 comma 2, so fourth row and second column, that is 15. So 15 should be our answer. Okay, and hence we are getting this. Okay, so the main thing, that how you do this question. So this question is kind of formula based, which I'll try to explain you while showing you the code, and I hope you will be able to understand. So I've already written its code, and we'll try to basically do a dry run of this code on this matrix, and we'll see how this formula is working. Okay, so we will be given two inputs, that is x and y. So first of all, in this question we have a slight change, that we will be given the test cases also. So I have taken the first test cases, then I have run a loop for all the test cases, and in each test case we have to take two integers, that is the number of row and number of column. So I have taken this in uh, x and y. Okay, so there will be two conditions, that if x is will be less than y, or x will be greater than or equals to y. Okay, so for the first condition, when x is less than y. Okay, so let me clear this first. So for the first condition, let's say we have x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So when x is less than y. Okay, so what we'll do, that we will check for the y, that whether y is odd or even. Okay, so if y is odd, we'll just do the y square minus x plus 1. Okay, and if y is even, we'll do y minus 1 square, y minus 1 square plus x. Okay, as I've written in this case. Okay, so let's do this check for this test case. So here y will be 3, so 3 square minus 2 plus 1, that will be 9, minus 2 plus 1, which will correspond to 8. Okay, so again if I put y equals to 3 here, let's say we take y equals to 4, which is again an even number, so it will be again 3 square plus x, which is 2. So 9 plus 2 will be 11. Let's check that 2 and 4 is 11 or not. So if I come in second row will be this row, and if I go to the fourth column will be this. So 2 and 4 will be 11. Okay, so this is the basic formula. when y will be greater than x. Now let's talk about the next case. Next case where y will be greater than or equals to x. So here we will check for the x, that whether x is odd or x is even. Okay, so again, if x will be odd, we will be doing x minus 1 whole square plus y and again if it is even, then we will be doing x square minus y plus 1, and we will be printing the required output. Okay, so this is the basically whole solution of this problem. The main thing you need to observe in this problem is that you have to somehow extract this formula, and it can be extracted by doing some observations. Okay, so let's try to submit it and see if it's pass or not. Okay, so it's accepted. Oh, okay. So the main thing in this question is that it's some kind of a little bit a confusing question. So what you can do is you can try running it on some of the test cases, and you will be good to go. So make sure to dry run it from your side, because that's the only way you will get to understand that how these formulas are working. Okay, so thanks everyone, thanks for watching.